Like damn, she in her mood. 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 Hey y'all, we made it back to the office. It is a new day. It's also the evening. It's summertime, so it's still light out. I got a freaking thing in the mail. Guess what it is? It's my vanity mirror. It's so cool. I'm gonna show y'all. Watch when y'all see this. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Oh, I missed. Y'all gonna be like, what? I want that. And the cool thing about this is you can get different sizes and shapes, and the reviews looked cool. So I locked it on the back window so y'all could see the color, because when I set this up, I was wondering if I have a light in front of me, will it give both? Because if I unlock this, the back is going to be overexposed and I'm going to be perfectly lit. Right now, I'm not perfectly lit, nor am I even really in focus. But because I'm filming on an iPhone, it doesn't really matter too much about the focus because it's front-facing camera. So yeah, I don't even know how I would open this box. Looks like they sealed it in every which way, which do your thing, because if it would have arrived broken, I don't even know what I would have done. I don't even know how to open this for real. It's so cute though, y'all. But anyways, how's your day going? What did you do today? Are you enjoying the Office series so far? I need to get a box cutter today. How am I supposed to open this for real? Alright, I'll be back when I open this. I still can't figure out how to open it, but I did get one side. Oh, there we go. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. You guys. By the way, I came in and I did water the plants. Gave them some water because I picked them up and it was so light. And I'm like, oh my God, you thirsty. I got a little something. Let me just, no, I'm gonna leave it right there so I can show you the difference. Look how gorge. Look how gorge. Oh, and if I do film this way, the window will bounce the light off of this back to me. Plus, this is a light. Yeah. That was the instruction. And this, which I don't know. Oh, that's gonna go at the bottom of the base. I got instructions. So I basically have to put this flat plate into the grooves, and then it'll be a standing mirror that lights up. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let me hurry up. Pretty self-explanatory. When the power is on, the mirror switch displays the blue light. What? Blue light? Long press, touch the button. You can turn off the blue light, and short touch switch. Button to turn on blue light, and button. Short press, touch. Anyway, I'll use that if I need it. Got the screws. I'll be back. Should I be back? I don't know. Alright, damn, these some tiny ass screws. I'm gonna put them on this sticky piece of thing that I have. Like you guys see me do my office floor. That's the leftover. And it perfectly holds down. I'm smart, resourceful. Ooh, and there's a pilly thing to peel off. We're gonna have to do that together because I am one of those people who peel it off. And if you're not one of those people who peel it off, when I come over, I'm peeling it off when you're not looking. For my own satisfaction. Okay, so I'm gonna do this like that. Wait, I ain't got no holes. Wait. So you're supposed to peel off the thing to reveal the holes. Give me this one. Take one off the sticky mat. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Should I change the view for y'all? Let me let you see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that in there. And then put the rest in there. Oh, damn it. I messed up the exposure. Okay, let me fix y'all back how it was. Like this. Can you go down? Oh, I can't go down. So it's more up. And then I'm gonna see how it's overexposed though. So it's recording. I'm gonna press the background on my front facing camera on my iPhone. Boom, see where it's highlighted at? Now I'm gonna hold that and it's gonna lock it. Now when I move, it won't change. But my theory is I need the light. So let me finish these screws cause, yeah. I'm trying to hurry up. I wanna go to the grocery store today too. Daniel. My handy dandy. I'll be back. Y'all, I just realized I did this the wrong way because the black part is supposed to be the part that I'm touching, this part, but I realized I gotta fix that. So yeah. I'm glad I noticed before I did the other side though. It's upside down. Anyway, I'm gonna fix that. So glad I pay attention to detail. Even though it was a little bit too late, I still paid attention before the job was done. I'll be back. Okay, so I did the thing. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. We gotta peel the thing off too, but let me see. Oh, there's something extra in here. Oh, they gave me one. I already had one from when I built this little thing behind me. From when I built that the other day. Zombie looking at my booty. I saw you looking. My business. All right, you know what would be extra cool if it was like this? Ooh, did you see the light that came to my face just by having it raised? Wow, I can see the outside perfectly. So I just know when I actually turn on the light. All right, what's in the magic box? Let me turn this up because wow, the light just from the sun reflecting off. Let me move this big ass box that I had to. It opened like a door, that's why. All right, so it would be like this. Oh, that's actually perfect because I would need it up. I'm gonna sit in this chair anyway. All right, so I was looking in this to see. That's crazy. So that kind of proves my theory though, just because it's reflecting the window off of this, so it's way brighter. So if I turn on a light on top of that, oh yeah, duh. Gotta turn on somehow. I'm glad it ain't batteries. Nobody got time for that. Ooh, the plug situation. Oh, perfect. It's a plug right by my desk. Hold on. And then the power actually, wait, you can't even see. It goes right there in the back of the mirror. All right, now, let's see. Put you back where you was. And, okay, so I gotta lock it though so it don't change. Lock, motherfucker. There we go, okay. Okay. Here. Okay, anyway. All right, so I'm gonna press the button. Press the goddamn button. Y'all remember the girl from Rush Hour?
Yeah, come on, push your button.
Blow everybody up.
Yeah, blow everybody up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
All right. Wait, I didn't see it change. That is not bright at all. So So that does not prove my theory. Well, I mean, it's a little brighter, but like, what the fuck? Does that, I feel like that kind of can distort your view. Boo, tomato, tomato. The only good thing about it is that it's a big ass mirror. So yay, I got a big ass mirror. I mean, I am kind of lit. All right, let's peel the thing off. All right, so gonna peel it on. We're gonna peel it on. Nice. That's so cool. But you see, like, maybe I can film with me with the mirror. How would I do that though? Like if I put my camera like that. That's kind of fire. I just don't want you to be able to see the camera, but then you're gonna be like catacomb. Maybe I'm gonna have to play around. But isn't it cool? Yeah. I love it. What if I did a video like this? I don't know. Hey girl, hey. I made it to the office and I realized I didn't even bring my laptop and I literally came here to edit. And to drop off this stuff too, but like dang. I mean, I only live not too far from here, but I did need to water my plants. I put some fertilizer. Wow, that one is hella purple. I gotta show y'all the babies. But I bought some fertilizer water and some makeup remover wipes for when I do makeup videos. I bought some edge control, but now I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. So I forced myself to do it here. With my hairspray, the curling iron, and I brought a long, oh, I already had one. Well, this one's longer. I can take that one back home. I brought a 10 feet one when I went to Vegas for 24 hours for my dad's 60th birthday. Sorry, I did not vlog. I need space, so I need to edit, which is why I'm here, but I forgot the laptop. I was so focused on carrying the bag out that I didn't realize that the thing wasn't in there. Then I got my to-do list, which I need to write some stuff down. I went to Jamba Juice and I got some the acai super antioxidant smoothie. I also ordered 2 ginger shots and then I poured them in here. Oh, and when I get the acai super antioxidant smoothie, I get added peaches and I asked them to double blend it. You're welcome. Sorry, good. Okay, I bought these little gadgets and gizmos. This is for like, if you know, you know. I don't need to explain it. If you don't, if you really want to know, let me know in the comments. But if you know, you know. I don't need to explain these. But I got hell of them, so I just brought them here because my tripods are here, so those need to be here. Why would they be at my house? You know? And then I got a handy dandy. Look at it. It's a chargeable electric lighter. Look. So we finna test that out on the candles that I got from my desk. But isn't it so nice and sleek? Like, this is big. This is like, I feel like my face is like 8 inches. Don't ask me why I know that. Actually, you can. I'll be making wigs. So I'll be measuring stuff on a dome cap. And when I first started making wigs on a dome cap, I was like, dang, where do I put the wig cap at? Because normally I was using my beauty school doll head and she got a real hairline. And hey y'all, welcome to my vlog channel. This is the Office series episode whatever. Welcome. I'm over here waiting for a timer to go off because I just filmed this tutorial in my freaking office. So make sure you go to my main channel because this is my vlog channel. Make sure you go to my main channel and then subscribe so you can see what is going on. What's going on? Is it gonna be giving or is it not gonna be giving? Because I actually have no clue. This is my first impression. So go over there, go see what's happening, go see what the outcome looks like. And yeah, I'm just waiting for this timer to go off. I want to pop in and say, hey vlog channel, how y'all doing? Okay, bye. Hi vlog. So I just finished filming the video for my hair. I had a lot to say. Make sure you go see what I had to say because, child, it's up for you to decide. Just go see what I had to say. And also make sure you subscribe to both channels. I'm about to clean up the mess. Yeah. Hey, I broke my mirror. If you got some pull, can you give me a new mirror? I want a new mirror, but I don't want to pay for it. But I'll promote it though. Can you give me a new mirror? Anyway, I gotta clean up all this mess and turn off the lights because currently I am being blinded by the bright light, but it's a beautiful day. So I am actually going to clean up, get out of here, get some food, go home, and then see what my boyfriend wants to do. I think it would be nice if we went and saw like a sunset or something today because it's just pretty. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I don't know. Oh, also, I wanted to let you guys know that we are having a surprise guest in the office on Monday. So, I don't know. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can see who the surprise guest is because they're coming to the office and we're gonna get some work done together. Guess who the surprise guest is? Guess who the surprise guest is? Anyway, let me clean up because I like currently and I'm not doing nothing and I'm wasting time and I'm starving. So, hi, it's a freaking ladybug. Look at the ladybug. Hey girl. Hey girl, how you doing? It's a little ladybug. You know what that means. We on the right track. Okay, anyway, gotta go. Bye.